Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique, where we delve into the finest items to help you make informed purchasing decisions. Today, we're excited to showcase what we believe is the best rosary pack on the market, the 24 pieces red rosary beads featuring the Virgin de Guadalupe. This collection is perfect for special occasions such as baptisms, first communions, and even baby showers. Let's jump right into what makes this rosary pack a must-have for anyone looking to celebrate these meaningful events with style and reverence. At first glance, you'll notice the vibrant red color of the wooden beads, each measuring 6 mm. The 19-inch length of the rosary makes it comfortable to hold in hand or wear around your neck, and it's perfect for everyday use. However, what truly elevates this rosary pack is the attention to detail in its design. Each bead is arranged meticulously to complement the elegant crossed pendant, resulting in a beautiful overall appearance that embodies the spirit of the Virgin de Guadalupe. Each set comes with 24 individual rosaries, all beautifully packaged in circular gift boxes adorned with the image of the Virgin de Guadalupe, making them ready for gifting right out of the box. This thoughtful packaging not only adds an extra layer of elegance but also makes it incredibly easy for you to share these keepsakes with family and friends. But wait, there's more. These rosaries are not just visually stunning but also feature a unique scented element, adding an aromatic experience to their religious significance. Imagine handing these out during a baptism or a first communion. Not only will they be a cherished memento, but they will also fill the air with delightful fragrances, enhancing the atmosphere of your special event. Now you might be wondering how you can use these beautiful rosary beads. They're incredibly versatile. Whether you plan to hold them during prayer, wear them as a necklace, or even incorporate them into your home decor, these rosaries serve multiple purposes. Their simple yet stylish design makes them suitable for daily wear, so you can keep the essence of your faith close to your heart every day. And let's not forget about the assurance that comes with purchasing this pack. The product is backed by a 100% money-back guarantee from Brilucky, ensuring that you'll receive high-quality items at an excellent price. Their commitment to customer satisfaction means you can buy with confidence, knowing that your emotional investment will be matched by a satisfying product experience. In conclusion, if you're looking for a meaningful gift for a baptism, first communion, or any religious celebration, the 24 pieces red rosary beads set featuring the Virgin de Guadalupe stands out as an exceptional choice. Not only does it combine aesthetic beauty with rich cultural significance, but the thoughtful packaging and the added dimension of scent truly set it apart in the market. Make your next religious celebration unforgettable with this exquisite rosary pack. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more great product evaluations and reviews. Until next time, keep celebrating life's special moments.